Have you experienced any of the following in the past 1 year? A feeling of suddenly being exposed to an extremely stressful situation of an unknown duration. A feeling that you are living with uncertainty and fear. Insecurity about your own health and the health of your loved ones. Or just a concern regarding job continuity and financial security. Are you overwhelmed, saddened by images and content on social media that highlight the suffering and pain of our present situation? Or you're just living with a general feeling, when will all of this end?
Sleep is crucial for the functioning of the body. A good sleep is not only responsible for the brain functioning on a day-to-day basis, but it is also important for your metabolic health, for the health of your cardiovascular system, that is your heart health, for your hormonal balance, and most importantly in this time, it maintains the health of your immune system, which is actually responsible for being able to fight off this virus. So, what do you do if you're having trouble sleeping? Well, first for that, let's meet the internal body clock or the circadian rhythm. This internal body clock works very hard to synchronize your inner sleep cycle with the external day and night cycle. The easiest way to solve your sleep problems? We just have to make the work of this inner body clock easier. And how do we do that?
Sync with nature. Have a regular time to sleep and a regular time to wake up. Make it easier for yourself and have a 1 hour sleep window. Example, go to sleep between 10 to 11 each night and wake up between 5 to 6 am each morning. Start waking up closer to sunrise and sleep before midnight. Practical tip for implementation: just wake up 1 hour earlier than you're used to and don't sleep in the afternoon. Get natural daylight, particularly in the morning. This has a positive effect on the melatonin release and this helps in inducing sleepiness at night. Decrease nap time to less than 30 minutes, preferably immediately after lunch. Take out time for yourself closer to the evening to write your thoughts down or just talk with your friends and family about what's bothering you. This will reduce the chance that stress interferes with nighttime sleep. Limit the amount of time you are exposing yourself to news about COVID-19. Finish the last meal of the day 2 to 3 hours before bed. Ayurveda recommends to have your food ideally by sundown. Completely avoid food that is heavy on your stomach, food that is rich in fats or spicy food, and avoid overeating. On the other hand, also avoid going to bed hungry because both the extremes interfere with your sleep cycle. Avoid caffeinated beverages after 5 pm. Caffeine has a half-life of 6 hours. It takes the body a complete 12 hours to get rid of the coffee we consume. Avoid alcohol. Yes, a lot of people believe that alcohol helps them fall asleep. But while it might make you fall asleep, it interferes heavily with the deep sleep, the part of the sleep cycle where regeneration and repair of your body takes place. Last and certainly not the least, have an active and mindful lifestyle. Take out at least 20 minutes of your day for exercise and finish it 2 to 3 hours prior to sleep time. Take out time in the day to meditate. In the evening and before bed. Use dim lights and decrease the exposure to blue light after sundown as it affects melatonin release and interferes with inducing sleep. Refrain completely from the use of laptops, mobile phones, tablets or TV an hour before bed or at least 30 minutes before sleep time. Turn off the lights completely when you want to sleep. We are truly a dark deprived society today, but that's just not in tune with nature or your internal body clock. Read a book. Not only is this a great habit to ensure good sleep, the extra knowledge helps in character building. So it's a win-win. If you are really used to using your phone before bedtime, just start by listening to an audiobook and refrain from looking at the screen. Listen to sleep music or guided meditations. Take a shower. Feel the water on the back of your neck because it will help you calm down and it will make you feel fresh. Make sure you at least wash your feet every night before bed. Follow this up with applying a lotion that smells really good to you and then gently massage your feet. Make this routine an integral part of your routine at night, apart from of course brushing your teeth before bed. The overall feeling of freshness will make you sleep like a baby and your brain will start to associate this wind down routine with bedtime. Some other tips to be followed at night time include: wear cotton clothes that fit loosely, use cotton bed sheets. The ambient temperature of the room for a good night's sleep is around 18 to 24 degrees centigrade, so make sure that the temperature of your room is as close to this as possible, or in general, have a cooler environment to sleep as compared to the daytime. The last and my absolute personal favorite: when you get into bed, write down 3 things of that day that you are really grateful for. This one practice will fill your life with so much positivity, and you will see remarkable changes in how you feel overall. Never use your bed for work or work-related activities. Your brain should have a very clear association that bed equals relaxation. But what do you do if you are in bed and you just cannot go to sleep? If you have been lying in bed for over 30 minutes, get up, leave the bedroom and go for a walk. Listen to some soothing music at the same time. Come back when you feel sleepy. You could read something at this time as well. Have the same music in the background every day when you unwind and go to bed. Very soon, your brain will start to associate this particular music with sleep. Remember, it's all about forming associations.
If after having followed these solutions also, you are still having difficulty sleeping, or you have not yet built a sleep habit, please consult your doctor and get a prescription till you can work on these solutions in the background. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Be safe, take care of yourself, take care of people around you. Bye.